channel Dog Brown Unicorns. I hope you all are doing really well and fine. And today's video is going to be about a review video that a lot of you've been asking me from a long time, and I have to try it for a minimum of 30 days so that I can give you like some genuine reviews about this particular thing. So what particular thing I'm talking about, right? मैं बात कर रही हूँ आज द डर्माको विटामिन सी सीरम की, जिसके बारे में मुझे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आए थे मेरे फ्रेंड्स से, मेरे रिलेटिव से, और कुछ कुछ तो कमेंट सेक्शन पे भी आए थे. सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट टू गिव दिस शॉट. सो like lastly I have been using the like vitamin C serum from Mama Earth, that is the skin illuminated face serum. If you haven't checked out, then do check out this video. I'll give it in the I button so you can check it out there. Now I have switched to this particular thing from a month, so now I think it's the right time to give the reviews that I have been trying to reach out to you from a long time. So towards the end of the video you'll get to know that if it's a yay or nay, if it's a thumbs up or a thumbs down. But before that, so now let's talk about why particular this brand. So this brand actually gives you a space where you can do a free skin assessment test, where you'll get to know like a lot of goodies, a lot of products that will suit your skin time and would also give result according to your skin concern or your skin issues. So I have also undergone a skin assessment test that they suggested me a few products जो कि अच्छे थे, but I have already used actually some products, the AHA one, which actually helped me in curing my acne. So if you haven't any idea that how bad my acne was, so this is how bad it looks like, and I am currently having no such problems on my skin. So also I have made a video on it, so you can check it out on the I button. So today I am very excited to share my results with you about this vitamin C serum, because it worked more than I thought. Now the first thing, what I was saying is, they suggested me 2000, like they suggested me some product that will cost you around 2000 rupees. But I have a lot of products already onto my skincare regime that are going well with my skin, so I thought why not to just go for this vitamin C serum. So I have ordered it, and this is how it looks like. I hope you all can see it. Okay, so this is how it looks like from the outer box, and the product inside it looks something like this. So this is the clear, like the consistency is quite runny and kind of a clear formula of vitamin C serum. So this is what it looks like. It comes with a dropper. That's a good part about this particular thing. Now moving on. So it is a dermatologically tested, branded, and also it has no SLS, no paraben, no chemicals, and also medicated. Now thing about a dermatologically tested product is a lot of dermat comes into a group and suggest different kind of solution that will make sure that suits all type of skin, like be it oily, normal, combination, dry, or let it be like very sensitive skin. It suits all type of skin when it comes to a dermatologically tested thing, right, like this. So that's why I thought to go for it, because my skin is very sensitive. So I thought that it will go well with my skin. Now the second thing about this thing is about this particular thing is they have this like combination of really good 3 acid that is like a very helpful. They are going to help your skin to boost up a lot of things. First thing is they have this ascorbic acid that is to in a stabilized form, जो कि आपके स्किन को ब्राइटन करेगा, लाइटन करेगा. अगर आपके स्किन पे डिस्कलरेशन है या फिर पिगमेंटेशन है, उसको क्योर आउट करता है. अगर आपके स्किन टोन इवन अनइवन हो रही है और इवन करना चाहती है, तो उसको भी हेल्प करता है. ऑल्सो अगर आपके स्किन पे स्कार्स हैं, दाग धब्बे हैं, या फिर उनको मतलब पूरा तो नहीं निकालेगा, मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी, बट ऑल्सो ये आपको स्किन को फेड अवे करता है. मतलब उसकी जो विजिबिलिटी है वो बहुत ज़्यादा कम हो जाती है. ऑल्सो किसी किसी के इस जगह पे भी बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्कलरेशन होती है, यहाँ पे होती है, तो दैट इज़ गोइंग टू फेड अवे इन विथ टाइम. इन द रिजल्ट्स इन जस्ट after 2 weeks of using it, and that's quite like this is not something that I expected from this particular thing. Now I'm going to show you the the exact way of using this particular product in a while. So guys, now talking about the concentration, they also have added 2 more acid, that is the ferulic acid and hyaluronic acid. Now ferulic acid is basically antioxidant that is going to make your skin like very flawless, and also आपके skin पे blood flow को बिल्कुल अच्छे से maintain करके रखता है. Next thing is to hyaluronic acid. हम सबको पता है कि hyaluronic acid हमारे skin को बहुत ज़्यादा hydration provide करती है than to any normal product. एंड ऑल्सो ये आपके स्किन पे जो मॉइस्चर है उसको लॉक करके रखता है थ्रू आउट द डे, सो दैट यू वोंट फील एनी ड्राइनेस ऑन टू योर स्किन. एंड ऑल्सो इट सूट्स ऑल टाइप ऑफ स्किन. डेफिनेटली इफ यू आर ए oily skin person, then you can go for it because it is not at all sticky. It's like a very watery kind of formula जो कि आपके स्किन पे बहुत स्मूथली ग्लाइड करता है. आपके स्किन को इसको मतलब आपको लगाने के बाद बस 2 मिनट 3 मिनट तक अच्छे से मसाज करना है एंड एवरीथिंग इज आउट ऑफ योर स्किन. आपके स्किन पे कुछ लगा ऐसा दिखेगा नहीं, बट इट आड्स रियली गुड ब्राइटनेस ऑन टू योर स्किन. आई मीन इसको लगा दिया आपने, उसके बाद आपका स्किन सडनली ग्लो करने लगता है एंड दैट ग्लो स्टे फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम. दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट थिंग. एंड क्योंकि ये इतना ऑयली नहीं है तो आप अपने मेकअप भी अच्छे से कर सकते हैं इसके ऊपर. Also guys, they have like mentioned it to use it in the night time, but I have used it like for 2 times on the day and night, and that's why I have seen result much faster. But definitely if you are using it at the daytime, make sure to seal it with a good SPF, otherwise your skin will go damaged, you'll see redness or allergies. So make sure you will use a SPF 30 or more than that sunscreen that has broad spectrum and also UVA and UVB protection in it. Otherwise just don't go for any kind of vitamin C serum when you're out to sun, because that's going to damage your skin. And if there is like you definitely need to use vitamin C serum and definitely have to go out there, then make sure that you are using a good sunscreen at least. Now next thing is, I have seen a really good and tremendous result. And if the question arises that do I suggest this thing, yes, of course, I definitely am going to suggest this thing, because compared to Mamaearth, the consistency of this thing is really nice and very watery, so that it doesn't feel at all like you have put on anything onto your skin. And also the results are like quite faster than that particular thing. I'm not going to do a like comparison video right here, so I'm going to just tell you that yes, this video is kind of very is going to make sure that you will get to know a lot about this particular thing. And also it costs 900 rupees, right? But I am going to tell you exactly how you can get it at half of the price that I have actually got it with half of the price. So make sure you have 4 friends. What next? You are going to convince them to use this particular product. How? By showing them this video, right? And then they have this offer of buy to get 2. They have come with it more often, like in every 2 weeks you have to wait for that. And buy to get 2 you means आपको 1800 रुपये spend करना है, and for that you will get like 4 products of this particular thing, where you can get it for just rupees 450. So I have done that trick and my whole family is now using it, and I am also using it, and I am also getting benefited, and I have spent just half of the amount. So that's the trick that everyone needs to know, कि हम सबको पता होना चाहिए कि हम सब पैसा कैसे बचत कर सकते हैं. एंड ऑफकोर्स आई एम ऑन अ स्ट्रीम जहाँ पे मुझे अलग अलग टाइप के चीज़ें अपने स्किन पे लगाने पड़ते हैं, और इसके लिए मेरे पैसे बहुत ज़्यादा खर्च हो जाते हैं. तो अगर मैं सेविंग्स के बारे में नहीं सोचूंगी तो कौन सोचेगा, राइट? सो मैंने अपने तरीके आपको बता दिया कि आप कैसे सेव कर सकते हैं. अभी आपके ऊपर है कि आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को कैसे कन्विंस करते हैं, अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स को कैसे कन्विंस करते हैं. आप ऑफकोर्स इस वीडियो को शेयर करेंगे तो वो भी मान जाएंगे. Now moving on, I'm going to tell you exactly how this application goes on और कैसी consistency रहती है. तो now let's move on to see that. So guys, I have just washed off my skin completely. I have like सारे मेकअप उतार दिए और सब कुछ उतार दिया. अब बात करते हैं कि इसको कैसे लगाना है. After that I have used a toner, simple rose water I have used, and let it dry completely. And after that we are going to use it. So to use it, it's very easy, quite a like very easy thing. So you have to just put it in the dropper, and then you are going to put it inside you, and you're going to put it onto your face. Now you're simply going to massage it like really well for a good 2 to 3 minutes, right? Just like that. I want to make sure that I have applied it on every part of your skin, right? I'm going to give a little close-up. So this part of my skin has like a little bit of scar, but this side of my skin has a lot more skin than other part, because I had like a lot of acne on this particular part of my skin. So definitely it's it is fading away from the first time when I used it, and to this time it has faded away a lot. So that's why I'm like telling you guys to actually use it. So if you'll go on my recommendation, then definitely go for it and use it, and you will see the results in like no instance of time. But I would suggest you कि आप इसको 21 दिन minimum of time दे, ताकि आप अपने स्किन पे कुछ अच्छा काम देख सकें इस पर्टिकुलर चीज़ के बारे में. Now second thing, do use a broad spectrum sunscreen, and I can give enough stress on how important it is to use a good sunscreen. बिल्कुल भी कंजूसी ना करें. अगर आप कोई sunscreen use करें, then make sure it's above SPF 30 or SPF 50 for that matter, and also has UVA and UVB protection in it. Now if you guys want, then I can suggest you five of the best sunscreen brand that is available in India. So let me know in the comment section if you want that. But particularly I am going to suggest you that you can use the Reacryl one. That is like one of the best one that I have used so far, so you can go for that too. So make sure you're using a good sunscreen and seal your skin, like protect it as many times as you can. So with every 2 hours you have to reapply your sunscreen. So it's better you can also go for a spray sunscreen, which is like वाव का भी एक सनस्क्रीन आता है जो उसमें आप इसको स्प्रे कर सकते हैं अपने स्किन पे सनस्क्रीन को. तो वो भी आप ला सकते हैं. अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा मेकअप करते हैं तो आप ज़्यादा बार सनस्क्रीन तो अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते. सो इट्स बेटर कि आप जो है स्प्रे ला दें ताकि आपको सेटअप करने पे आसानी हो. So guys, that's it for today's video. Now I'm sure that I have like given you the best result, the best reviews that I can give you guys. So yeah, I'm very soon is going to cover it with bridal series जिसमें मैं एक giveaway भी करने वाली हूँ. So make sure you stay tuned to all of my videos, and make sure you be my regular subscriber and use all the DIYs that I'm telling you, and share your honest reviews with me, so that all people would get to know, right, if my DIYs actually works or not. So first thing first, you are going to be my regular subscriber, and second thing, you are going to try all the DIYs and remedies, and you have to share it with your friends, family, and not to mention that it costs like 1800 rupees, and also it's from a really high-end brand, so it has a lot of goodies inside it. So make sure you be a regular subscriber and tell your family friends about all of these things. So yeah, I'll see in my next video where I'm going to start my bridal series from the day one, जिसमें मैं आपके साथ कुछ ऐसे टिप्स एंड सीक्रेट्स शेयर करने वाला हूँ जिससे आपका स्किन बिल्कुल चांद की तरह चमक जाएगा. ऐसा ही बोलते हैं ना कुछ आपके माँ, मम्मी, चचेरी, मौसी, और ये सब बिल्कुल वैसा ही होने वाला है आपके साथ. तो स्टे ट्यून एंड वॉच माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो टू नो मोर अबाउट द ब्राइडल केयर रूटीन एंड एवरीथिंग. आई विल सी इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. तब तक के लिए टाटा बाय बाय, सी यू एंड सबा खेर.